Hey everyone, I got a PR package from Khatoon Collection, and here's the dress. Let's open it. It's a beautiful purple cotton dress. The fabric feels so soft, with beautiful design both on camis and dupatta with plain turquoise shalwar. Love it. It's perfect for casual wear. The quality is good. I recommend it. They have all kind of dresses like party, wedding, Pakistani wear. What do you think? Khatoon Collection Instagram shop link in description. Received this another PR from Canary brand while visiting an exhibition. This small beautiful hairpin. Love this too. Can be styled on a hair bun or curate a different look. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.